Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download DocuSign eSignature integration for apps, full guide step by step clearly. To download the DocuSign eSignature integration for apps, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the DocuSign website. Once on the home page, locate the search bar at the top. Type eSignature integration into the search bar and hit enter. Review the search results for the relevant integration options. Click on the link that specifically refers to the application you're interested in. Read through the integration overview to familiarize yourself with its features. Look for a prominent download or get started button on the page. Click on that button to proceed with the download. If prompted, select your operating system to ensure compatibility. Follow any additional prompts to confirm your download. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. If required, enter your DocuSign account credentials to authenticate the integration. After installation, open the application where you integrated DocuSign. Look for the newly available DocuSign features within the app. Perform a test run to ensure the integration is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, check the DocuSign support page for troubleshooting tips. With these steps, you've successfully downloaded and integrated DocuSign eSignature into your app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.